So I have my, I'm going to use these. This is the what I use on the tomatoes. And the little girl is walking away. She think I won't see her. So I'm going to use this, and the soft part is what is going to touch the plant stem. And I have my clippers, and I'm going to clean them every time I go to each plant. I'm using my Clorox wipes so not to transfer any disease between each plant. I have my gloves because zucchini has those little prickly things on them. I need longer gloves. Actually, I need the ones that go all the way up. If you guys have seen my fruit tree, the bees are out here. Where the key lime plant that was dying stuck me. Like, it was mad that I left it outside. Like, hello. I forgot. So we're gonna go here, and I have these stakes, green stakes. They're metal. It's like a metal inside of them, but they're coated with plastic. And this is my Italian stripe, and I'm gonna harvest this. I'm gonna harvest this one. Well, I harvest that one already, but what I want you guys to see, I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom, and I'm going to cut here, cut here, cut all these lower leaves. And yeah, I'm going to end up cutting off some fruit as well, some flowers as well, but they're male flowers, and there's no female, well, there's one female flower, but they're up on the top. And removing some of these leaves will also help the bees to be able to get to the flower to pollinate. So I'm just removing the lower parts of it as much as possible. And then I'm going to take this and stake it. Actually, I should go in here, the cage, right in here in the tomato cage. Push that down. Get this. Cut it off. Give myself a good, because I don't want to have my zucchini choked out. And I'm being as gentle as possible, because you guys know I am heavy-handed. And we're just gonna wrap that up like that. And then we're gonna keep going up and up and up and up for as long as this plant is here with us, and keep trellising it up, keeping those leaves off of the ground, but you know, we have it off the soil already because we have the mulch here, and this mulch will help to retain. That's what's there. And and that was started on the 11th of April. This right here, you see, it's the gray zucchini. And I'm just going to cut away. I'm going to cut this flower off also. Just cut down here. And I'm going to cut it right here. I should have left a longer stem on that one. But getting them, you don't have to get them this small. But removing them at this stage will promote more growth. cutting it so close to the plant. I'm cutting a distance away from the plant. And I'm going to take this. This one is kind of bent. See, when I say it's metal, this is kind of bent right here. So you can bend it back. So I'm just going to put this here. And I'm not disturbing the roots or anything like that. Maybe just a little bit, but it's for its good. You get a big enough piece out of here. And tie this up. This is not big enough, so this is going to go to something else. So I'm going to get a bigger piece. That sweeping you're hearing, the noise you're hearing, besides the children being loud, is my daughter Nevaeh sweeping the garden up for me. And we're not tying it that tight, we're just giving it enough room. And that's it. And that helps the plant to be off the soil. That helps you to be able to, helps with airflow as well. And it also helps the pollinators, the bees, to come through and pollinate your plant. It also helps you to see if there's any of that brown, it looks like eggs, like a little light brown around there where the squash bug has gotten into your plant. Of course, after rain, you need to check the back of your leaves to make sure nothing has landed on there and has laid its eggs on your leaves. I'm just doing that with the zucchinis, the bush and zucchinis, squash plants. That's it. I'm not doing that with my vining, with my winter squash, just the summer. I have another black beauty. I don't know if you saw it, but it's another black beauty. I probably will post it on the community page and Instagram. I'm also on Instagram. So whatever I post on the community page, I try to post on Instagram and Facebook. That will be it for today.